Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, this video is gonna be an important video for all the students, those who want to attend the live classes by all the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming CSIR Net and GATE exams preparation. So guys, in today's video I'm going to provide you the information related to the price hike, but now the new prices have been revealed. That means what will be the new prices once there will be the price hike? That's the information I'm going to provide you in this video today. And as in the last video I have provided you the update related to the date when these price hikes will take place and will be effective. So guys, they are gonna take place on 25th December. As you can see, it's mentioned here too. Also guys, the new prices will be like, instead of 2100 for the 1 month, you will have 2900 rupees. Okay, after there will be the price hike. So, and 3 months, right now it's gonna have 5250 rupees you have to pay. But even along with these prices, you can get the 10% discount in your total Unacademy Plus subscription amount, okay, for the current prices too. And you have to use the referral code for that, that is Anjali Arora, as it is mentioned here. No space in between, spelling should be same. That's how you need to write it and apply it to get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. So if you want to take the subscription, if you want to attend the more regular live classes, you can take the subscription for this current price before 25th December. Okay, so right now for 3 months the amount is like, or the subscription amount is 5250 rupees. But after there will be price hike, then it's gonna be 7250 rupees. And right now for 6 months the amount is 9450 rupees, but after increase that's gonna be 13,050 rupees. Right now for 12 months the price is 11,550 rupees, but after increase it will be 15,950 rupees. Right now for 24 months it's going to be 16,800 rupees only, and now after increase it will be 23,200 rupees. And if you are going to take the subscription today, as from 25th there will be the price hike, use and apply the referral code too, even you will have to pay less amount, okay, than the amount which has been shown here for the current prices. Done? Also guys, after taking the subscription, what will happen? You will be able to prepare very well for your upcoming exams with the guidance of all the top educators. Done. So you will be able to attend all their live classes, courses which are going on for the upcoming CSIR Net and GATE exam preparation. Also guys, time to time we are gonna have new courses starting on Unacademy Plus. So even from the new month and in upcoming days there will be many other new courses, and recently some of the courses have started. So even if you are going to take the subscription now today, you will be able to attend the live classes of all those ongoing courses and the upcoming courses. Even you can check out the recordings of the sessions which you have missed. So that's how you will be able to cover up each and every point, each and every topic. Also in the Unacademy Plus courses, we are gonna have the classes by all the top educators. So with the guidance of all the top educators, you will be able to prepare very well for your upcoming CSIR Net and GATE exams both. Clear? So to take the subscription, what are the steps you can take? Either you can download the Unacademy learning app, then you can proceed further after selecting the exam like CSIR UGC Net and proceed to take the Unacademy Plus subscription. Or directly on Google you can search Unacademy Plus and then proceed further after selecting the exam. And when you are proceeding to take the subscription, when you are taking those steps, use and apply the referral code, that is Anjali Arora. Apply it and you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount after using this referral code. So guys, now only one day is there. Okay, after that there is gonna be a price hike from 25th December. As you can see, it is even mentioned here. So if you want, if your friends are planning to take the subscription, let them know about it. Yeah, you can accordingly just consider it. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Also one more thing guys, that is in Unacademy Plus courses we are gonna have the doubt clearing sessions after, like in every course, after few sessions, like for example, after every 3 sessions we will have doubt clearing sessions too. So let's say you are watching the recordings of the previous classes, you can ask about your doubts in the doubt clearing sessions, and that's how everything will get clear to all of you. Done? So guys, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope each and everything will be clear to all of you, and soon on this channel, that is Mission NET Physics Exam, we are gonna have some of the very important and very informative sessions for your upcoming exams too. So stay connected. If you are new on this channel, you can subscribe this channel. Click on the subscribe button below this video and you can subscribe this channel. Also click on the bell icon to get the notifications related to the new videos which I will upload on this channel. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.